this is simple skincare regimen for you to use after the sun or in the winter. It doesn't leave your skin very oily. Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Kartia Velino. Guys, please click that red button to subscribe and also click on the notification bell so you will know when I upload the video. So today I want to bring you guys my skincare regimen. A lot of you have asked me how I keep my skin glossy and shiny after the sun. I just came back from Nigeria where the temperature is extremely hot and so humid, so you want to maintain your skin elasticity. I have few things that I use every morning and night, like since I came back from my vacation, just to restore my skin elasticity and to keep it very glowy and vibrant and also very clear. So after you wash your face, whatever you want to use to wash your face is entirely up to you. I just use some sugar and honey and I rub it all over my face because I want to keep this video snappy, so I just want to go straight to the point. So after I wash my face with honey and white sugar, the next thing I want to do is, so after washing my face, the next thing I apply on my skin is plain yogurt. Yogurt has a whole lot of lactic acid that will help to keep your skin younger and keep your skin very vibrant and also increase the collagen production. So I have the big one here. I don't put my hands on the big one, so I use about 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. If you cannot find plain yogurt, just use blueberry base. It's very excellent for your skin. So I'll be applying the yogurt on my face. So you can use a brush or you can use the tip of your fingers. I love to use the tip of my fingers because it helps to increase the blood circulation. So I rub it all over my face, mouth, eye area. Yes. Massaging it down to your neck area as well, because you have crease on your neck area and we age faster on our neck, and we age very faster from our neck as well. So after you have applied the lactic acid, you want to wait for about 5 minutes to take it off your face. I'm going to be wiping it out with some white cloth. So this wipe here is rice water. Rice water will boost your collagen and also help and enhance in brightening up your skin. So I use my rice water to wipe off the yogurt. So you have finished wiping it off. The next thing I want to use is my toner. This toner is made with apple cider vinegar and rose water. I will leave the link at the bottom of this video. So I just put a little bit. Apple cider vinegar will also help to brighten your skin and take off all the debris from your skin, especially the sun damage. So you want to make sure everything is clean. You can see that the cotton ball is very clean. And what I use is milk. This is made with milk. It's milk moisturizer. I do with this rice here, rice moisturizer. I will leave the link at the bottom of this video so that you guys can get yourself 1 or 2 from Amazon. Everything lactic acid will help to brighten your skin and increase your collagen production. So I have their almighty African shea butter that I got from Nigeria. So I just add a little bit of shea butter. I add a little bit of shea butter into my rice moisturizer to help lock in the moisture. So I bring it on my face, my eye area, my neck as well. This is just my simple skincare regimen for after the sun, and also to keep your skin very vibrant for the winter time. So if you do this in the day, allow some time for the moisturizer to sink into your skin before you apply your makeup. So guys, thank you guys for your time. Remember to subscribe and share the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Au revoir.